Hey. Hey, baby man. Hey, are you smiling for Daddy? Yeah. Oh, 'cause Mama loves you so much. Yes, I do. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, baby. Hey, pretty man. Oh, yeah. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Your hiccups are so cute. Daddy thinks you sound like a puppy. Like a chihuahua. Yeah. Hey, baby. Hey. Are you talking to Daddy? What are you saying? What are you saying? Look, Daddy, I'm wearing my baseball outfit. Yeah. And you got the hiccups. Did you see that, Daddy? He gave you a peace sign. Yay. Daddy, I always have the hiccups. I always have the hiccups. See, my sister pokes me in the eyes and says eyes. And in the nose. She likes Michael's eyes and nose. Huh, doesn't she? What are you saying? You tell him. You tell him. Come on, Daddy. Say it. Hey. Say, Daddy, I always have the hiccups. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye, Daddy.